the best cook here in my channel, AD Mix Vlog. Hello, 5 viewers! Ayan, 5 viewers ko. Ano, alam mo ba, may nagmamarites lang dyan. Ay, that's mean for me, Jackie. Okay. You know what, Danny? I try my best how to cook. If you're going here in Manila, if you're going here in the Philippines, but don't expect too much. Don't expect too much, okay? Do not expect too much because I'm not really yet. I don't know. Danny host is very good to cook. Maybe sometimes. Hello, 6 viewers. Oh my God. Sabi ko, magta 30 minutes lang ako. Pero viewers na ganyan. Tapos mga taga-ibang bansa pa, di ba? Maloloka ka. Ayan, ma'am. Hello po. Kala ko nag-live selling ako. Hindi pala. Ayan, Danny. Thank you so much for always joining my live. Um, you only have, uh, you're not joining in my live for 2 nights. Am I right, Danny? No, bro. Her friends are complaining to me. Oh my God, Danny. So, I got shy because you're saying like that. That's not a good joke. But it's okay. I don't know. I understand. 5 viewers. Alam ko, nag-marites lang yung iba dyan. Just comment down below. Ang galing ng bata magmura. Naloka ako doon. Sabay patay ako ng ano, binagmumura na bata. Bata pa, nagmumura na. Just kidding, Jack. I know, Danny. You're a great, great joker. Yeah, for a couple days, I didn't care. Yeah, only 2 days. Only 2 days. But I know you're sick. You told me, right? Guys, one good news. Jackie is going to join MasterChef. Oh my God. You know what, guys? It's been 5 years ago. 5 years ago, I work in a restaurant, a fast food rather, uh, in Makati, here in Metro Manila, uh, as a cook like that. But I'm doing cook a simple one dishes, but it's okay. Dish. Yes, ma'am. As a judge, guys, I don't like your joke. I'm not, I'm not good in cooking. Maybe I'm good in singing and dancing, not in cooking. Shucks. Mapapalaban ako sa'yo, Dani. Loko-loko ka talaga. As a judge. No. Yes, 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 yes. Maybe as a judge. Um, maybe. Pwede. Thank you so much sa aking for viewers. Guys, thank you for staying.